Ama akwaba wofre me adwoa searching him mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news ye count no debi na obehu abranti bi na no dem ma wosu ne ya sapon ne senya ne ya sapon na ne se aha o enti na ndisi fo no mo patch say 2024 na okosa line 70 December to abama mobum no de mo abeyo mo ni abranti oko university ne how ina ne say into obetua school fees plus utility bills me chere water bill light bill na ho keka ho and say school obejai na no de mu osu na abranti adenti no osu say ndisi fo na no omo ba power omo abetwa utility bills mu of schools obetua light bill e water bill and I Ghana for university for the tertiary for instance and no boa and this for ye be demonstration and yes and the demonstration no boa and Ghana ha mo boa mo ntumi nko demonstration because we are resetting the country on my Ghana and you resetting no part to part everything is under reset into demonstration no tertiary ni bia unima obekwa control placard so Eddie Ababejina Flagstaff House no more. So what near so she because you people are ungrateful. Some of you are more tertiary. Say my phone na papa food na you are me or more tertiary being cancer. Free SHS fan. Free SHS 99.9%. Omo your masters na de no. If I so omo do omo nka. Na omo class omo ntine school. Inti mo from wo school you cry dey. Because the free SHS from kwa no mo we. Move your water bill na light bill am by the demonstration e wo Ghana ha mo boa demonstration de mo be ko bias ye mpene adenti am you very ungrateful some akwa SS free mo say akwa tertiary free and mo boa mbetua utility bills na musu na first year for no so am enter no so you will pay your school fees oh His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yes me ntia papa ntia kra be ha ye mano muntia they can pay because Ghana for man for no yeah, but to about money in Yantiase, so one on warm bombetini ashomoba, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect. Momentio school fees, momentio utility bills, you know. Just a baby, I say, I will be a chia, a man or costume, monomutia, omubua to pay woman, and some will take responsibilities, they can. If we are secrano, so one year, and as a young on na say be na wudia udiri yafunyafo mfe bi nto ai te say wakoto provisions abegu na wudi nkakra nka na onuanu bi aba besra wudi we used to by heart because nyom no motoy it is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama magana fo mamefo omo hwam ani hu fifiri nhwo mo bad because Bible aka also ba be bro wa wu na be ma so be san wani fifiri na ade ahwo wo ba na wo ye no mo hwo mo ba no free bia wa Ghana ha because yes ye mpe free inti no ensem we beto odwa na branch teacher say any school no bejai. These are his words also, and I quote, unless I stop schooling, school fees plus light bills and water bills and bejai and blind jadu bejai betre fi kwa fire ho obi no obey contribution the amount and now no branch here will try A1C or school UK Senya NPP abanya okawa is useless wo Ghana ha enso hwe talent e kura branti hwe etri na adwen yankopon de man ye de bia kodi da adeso e kura ho asai free ade free ntine o UK musimo mpede a na moboa da you go pay hallelujah. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, leave them alone, they can provide for themselves. They have parents, let the parents provide for them. Me.
What she won't say, why are we in a lawless state? That is what is happening after these elections. What you office and studio don't we have a president in this country? Statements be by issue issue say and this mabuna motia tiana mo say nyoma na mo hihia dan munyai ebinsi babia. So they take it say yes, with impunity they can do whatever thing that they want. Ombeti head your muye because ya ban and was so eno na dia ba bewi ne na nkesi mu say na wutimi esore anopa eko na wi aso say me ko na makwa wura Anglo me kwa ji na mafa na wo ko ya wo che wa ye se ye ma wo empa no ye nyintum ye ko na akwachi but they were insistent enti ni ma bi wo ho ekoso na enja yenka ni empa ne pumasi be ni nyimfiri ho sa ora semi ye kan ya omo se omo ni obi anya adwene ene de ba be bia awi
ora de ba msa mi ne
na o say o kan sem bi say NDC organizer eko ho na meti ono pay okosi no so sa ora anya ne so na sha se free o se fertilizer gu baabi enti ya wia ne de agu ho no dim ka gidigidi no ko gida ni mu gigigigigigi e di enti no ne duru ho o duru so a government appointee and answer dey it should tell you where the signals are coming from. It is rather unfortunate enya dia esese so o reports a oji ne ba ko eye ma homete ene say yesi ya bo ba akutuo na oda na soja ni di etuo no ahwe
the shot
oh Jesus na wa boni tuo
am so na adwene
ama na mene no ayi
the tree mo no
Jesus. What country are we building? What country are we building as a nation? You see, statements issue statement. My question is, identity a statement be against NDC for to trust them and maybe a croma. And I know you who ye. I almost your moon, maybe as well who say a idea as I say ye cut it off from our system. Because ye can as a grono. Yes, simply for Sabe, Quasia, no see the Miyonko, near me. Adia, ye can say the air cosuano, and yet, if there is a precedent, I believe there is a precedent, or Maymudia, and your own fun and I, you
believe, and I say there is
a precedent in this country. Often, Nancy form. Now, statements now does not be making statement. Why you're holding 90% about? Now, I will say, Anglo good for Enkonko Tia.
Medical bills, funeral expenses.
So what are you going to investigate? Nothing. So are you going to bring out any other outcome a bit different from a statement that has been released, Anna? And if say a person Anglo Cry is at fault, who would then trust you because of this statement, Adiaba? I don't know any assuring anything. Why they was catching Abai? Nandi anya aban ade hye ne yaku omo no enti say ye bibi di ade na aban ntim ka so okay me dem nsanim let me take the step and do ABC ma me nko yes anyoma wi me yeda se free ho wi a yenya nhwehwemu no wa wie ode so bona kwa bo Anglo Gold say Anglo Gold ya mabu ne ba ye no na se mu bia kwan mo mu pam if is a Captain Smart kwa ya hye ne kutupa amana ka obi anya ne hwe na ko mo sisa de omo pe na ko mo de ko that's the meaning of this statement. It is statement where they say, "Makra na mi Jesus enkaye." Sade na umdi shame ninti. It's about time see a Nancy from. I am not encouraged. I just said how one soja ni okobo bitu sa na yedin. So reporter ye say yes say no krese omukọ na omo pacha odi na just say they were not that armed. Say omuni omukọ akọ disa na mom say wozozo no ya say obi ntimi emmo enwura ohodi fie fofie kwa. I just was say ne ho. So are you telling me say once Galamsey yes sir on my site kromo honoma in on my site on kutatuo the videos are all over mu shoot near there